Hi, this is Satan in Disguise, and welcome to my YouTube video, and I'm doing another unboxing of the new and approved of this guy. You might not be able to see who he is, so I'll give you a close-up of him. I did a video on Baphomet, which is this guy right here, and I'm going to be unboxing a newer and improved version of him. He is in here. So let's get on with the unboxing. I might need this, I'll keep it out. So I love the goat guy. I don't worship him or satanistic or anything like that. No, I just like the way it looks. How he has the goat head and the human body. But this guy right here is even better looking. More realistic and looks more like a goat. Put this in here real quick. Felt like they were moving parts. There's not supposed to be any. It's a statue. Oh yeah, look at that. You guys might not be able to see it from where you're seeing it at, but I'll show it like this, and then I give you guys a close-up. He's a lot more realistic looking. Look at that. Got the like roots or something down here. You have the world that he's sitting on. You have his feet, legs, arm, head. You got the horns. You know, there's a lot of differences between this one and this one. This one actually right here is more realistic in the way it looks. You know, the horns aren't outrageously big. This thing on top of his head right here isn't outrageously sticking way up there. His wings are curved. They're not straight out like the other one. But yeah, I think this guy's like the coolest looking one I have. And that's it. That concludes the video. That's all I needed to do, and all I wanted to show you guys was the unboxing of the new and approved Baphomet. And I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Goodbye.